Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Trey the DIY Ninja, and today we will be digitizing and test embroidering this image that I created. It's called Hot Cocoa and Chill. So this is my original graphic design, and like I always say, I drew it on iPad Pro and I digitize on the Embroidering Stitch Artist level 2, and I stitch out on the Brother SE600. So let me show you what the stitch file looks like. So this is the PNG or JPEG image, and let's turn this off. And this is the stitch file that I ended up with. So I kind of changed some things around. I elongated the cup to fit in the font better, and I had to move some of the things around so there were no gaps in the stitch file. Okay, let's go straight into the stitch simulation so that we can see what this is supposed to look like while it stitches out. Oops, I clicked the wrong button. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to turn off my stitch and turn on the stitch simulator. Let's get going. So first things first, it's going to stitch out the marshmallow, then the hot cocoa, and then the cup. So far it looks pretty simple. So what I'm looking for is I'm watching the direction in which it's stitching and the order in which it's stitching. I want to make sure that, it stitches out the best way possible. So right now it's looking real good. Nice and clean. And if you're wondering why I have a red background, it's so that I can see if there are any gaps in my design. So since there's no red in my actual design, it'll definitely stand out if there are any spaces. Don't mind my son. Okay, baby. Okay, I'll turn on Coco for you. Give me 1 minute. He's so cute. But yeah, in all my videos, you will hear him interrupt. For some reason, he just loves when I'm recording to come in and ask me for something. But yeah, okay. So then we did the outline of the marshmallow, the features, and the font. Okay, it looks good. Let's go on over to our embroidery machine. Okay, we are now at my embroidery machine, the Brother SE600, and I plugged in my USB here on this side. And this is your main screen. I'm gonna go to the USB function, and I will go to the next page, and here is my Hot Cocoa and Chill design. I'm going to just press OK, and then I always trace the area to make sure it isn't hitting anything it shouldn't be. Okay, then press OK, don't need to move it. And let's take a look. First thing is the marshmallow. It's gonna be 4 minutes. Let's get started. I've already threaded the machine with white thread. Don't touch. And I'm going to just push that thread back out and press start. Yeah, what do you see? Whoa. So there is the body of the marshmallow. I'm gonna just do the top of its head. Alright, time to switch colors. We're gonna go brown for the Coco. Let's get that Coco going. Okay, we're moving on to make the cup. I've already changed the thread. Let's get going. Time for the cheeks. Another cheek. Hope those are cheeks. Guess we'll find out. Time for the letters. I'm just going to make the letters black.
I love you.
I love you too. He's so sweet. Okay, there we go. I believe we're done. I'm just going to take this out and trim up all our jump threads, and I'll show you the finished product. Okay guys, here is the finished product. As you can see, it came out really good too. This is the first test stitch, and overall it came out really good, except there was a little bit of registration issue, like right there. Do you see that little micro line where it met from the top to the bottom on the cup? I don't know, maybe I'll fix that. I'll probably fix that, but yeah, not bad for the first run. Thanks for watching. Remember to thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below of what you would want me to stitch out next or create next. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!